This semester, I had the pleasure of tackling the dreaded INTR 452 course, otherwise known as Interior Building Systems. At the beginning of the semester, we were given a project that we continued to develop through various assignments. We were also assigned a construction type to follow, mine being Type 5. The project scope included a 30-foot by 40-foot building with 2 floors, the first floor being a gallery space and the second floor being an office space. Figuring out how to incorporate all of the client's needs was quite the challenge, and after much trial and error, both spaces were finally planned accordingly. The first system we focused on was structural. Modeling this system took a great deal of precision and superglue. We were to choose either a column and beam system or a bearing wall system. I chose to use column and beam. With wide flange beams supporting my second floor and open web steel joists supporting my roof, the building was structurally sound. The stair shaft is composed of 8-inch poured concrete and extends above the roof. Now that the building could stand on its own, it was time to implement plumbing. All walls were to be constructed in our models for this phase, making it the most time-consuming portion of the model. The plumbing layout itself was fairly easy to design and understand. My plumbing fixtures were stacked and located near one another, so less materials were used to construct the pipes in the model. Following the plumbing came the HVAC. This was fairly simple to model, but the same cannot be said for the initial layout. Understanding how HVAC elements are calculated was quite the challenge for me. I spent many hours figuring out the best layout and deck sizes for my space. The easiest and final system to grasp was electrical. In our model, we were required to place outlets, switches, phone lines, and lights. Type 5 construction also required me to place wind turbines as a sustainable design solution. Each of these elements were shown in the plans along with the circuiting between each electrical element. This course challenged both my design skills and my critical thinking skills. Understanding how each of these systems can coexist without design flaws was a difficult concept for me to grasp. Now that the project is complete, I realize how much I truly learned from this experience. Needless to say, I now have an immense appreciation of what goes on behind the scenes.